Ito na ang latest ng Mixed Topics, mainit na showbiz ganap.
Bea Alonzo's happy wife era. Ibinahagi ng Kapuso actress ang ilang detalye isang buwan matapos ang private at intimate civil wedding nila ng negosyanteng si Vincent Co. Bagamat masaya ang puso niya ngayon, gusto munang sarilihin ni Bea ang detalye kung bakit naging sikreto ang naging kasalan. Ayon kay Bea, I did realize na ang bilis. How time flies. Bea said, yung tirahan ko iba na. Iba na yung address ko syempre kasi nag-move in na kami together. For the actress, waking up beside her husband every day has made their new chapter even more special. Right now, I am on cloud nine. I am very, very happy. Na-share ko ata, before, na I'm at my happiest and syempre we wake up right next to each other every day and it is special to me. She added, pinanatiling pribado ni Bea ang karamihan sa mga detalye ng kasal nila ni Vincent dahil nais niyang manatiling intimate at personal ang kanilang espesyal na araw. Honestly, I didn't think that it is something I really need to share. Pinanatiling pribado ni Bea ang karamihan sa mga detalye ng kasal nila ni Vincent dahil nais niyang manatiling intimate at personal ang kanilang espesyal na araw. Honestly, I didn't think that it is something I really need to share. It wasn't supposed to be a surprise or wala namang pasabi. It wasn't supposed to be like that. It just felt like it was the right thing to do. The moment was just ours. Saad ni Bea. For her, she still feels the joy of getting married while looking forward to what comes after. Dinagdag rin niyang tuloy-tuloy lang ang taping ng kanyang upcoming series na Whispers from Heaven. Samantala, sa isang event ng brand, ibinahagi ni Bea ang kanyang pananabik sa mga bagay na naghihintay sa kanya, sa kanyang personal na buhay, at sa kanyang karera sa showbiz. My headline would be, Just Getting Started, Bea said. You've seen me in many different chapters of my life. You have seen it all, but somehow, it's only getting started. I'm so excited for what will come both personally and professionally. And I know that there is so much to life. Pagpapatuloy ni Bea. Habang nagsisimula silang bumuo ng sariling pamilya ni Vincent, ibinahagi rin ni Bea ang kanyang mga pangarap para sa hinaharap, lalo na pagdating sa pagiging ina balang araw. I love to have the energy to run around with my kids and to play with them, and not just watch from the sidelines. Kung before I will resort to quick fixes or latest beauty trends or latest fitness trends, right now I invest more in my future self. Saad niya. Ultimately, my priority now is to have the energy to enjoy every chapter in my life. Meanwhile, Bea Alonzo and Ann Curtis are top Philippine stars who recently teamed up for a major business collaboration, combining Ann's BLK Cosmetics and Bea's travel brand, Bash Manila. The partnership brought the two icons together for an exclusive collection and a star-studded promotional trip to China. Sa Instagram stories, nagbahagi si Bea ng larawan nila at ng iba pang kasama sa isang airport terminal. The Kapuso actress also posted a video showing a large-scale outdoor cultural performance set against dramatic red terraced landforms and distant mountains. Masaya naman ang mga sumusuporta kay Bea sa mga magagandang nangyayari sa kanyang buhay ngayon. Deserve na deserve umano ng aktres ang lahat ng blessings na natatanggap niya, lalong-lalo na ang pagpapakasal niya kay Vincent Co.